Hey, what's up? It's Derek with 4Play Wheels, and today we are doing an unboxing video so you know what to look for and what to expect when your order shows up at your door. Big exciting stuff when a set of wheels shows up, so let's dive right into it. Pop these open. First thing you're gonna see is this double strength wall cardboard box. You've got some edge protectors. You take these, you get those out of the way. You got some extra cardboard to make sure there's no scratches on the face. Now, very important, this is your aftermarket wheel installation guide. This was written in conjunction with SEMA, and it has a lot of useful information, a lot of things that some people overlook. We include this with every single wheel for a reason. So this is in the top there. And the next thing we got is some plastic. Again, make sure there's no scratches or anything. Now you have your wheel, you have your rim protector, and you have your bonnet. Just slide that off. You're gonna notice something here as well too. Nice professional saran wrap. Again, protects that paint from any rough like cardboard, box burn, or anything like that. So, now that we've got our wheel, we're gonna check it out. Everything looks good, there's no shipping damage. We checked our part numbers on the box. One thing you want to know about 4Play wheels is the 5-lug and the 6-lug applications are dual drilled. So for example, this is dual drilled 6. This center cap actually fits in two different positions. One will expose your 6 on 5.5 or 6 on 139.7, and the other position will hide that and expose the 6 on 135, which is your F-150 application. So just know that depending on your vehicle, you may need to take this cap off, rotate it, and reinstall it. The tool for that is also included. It's taped to the bottom of the box so it won't rattle around or scratch anything. Nice little Allen tool here. I'm sure you got 100 of them. All right, so now we have the wheel out of the box. Some things I want to point out. One, every single 4Play wheel gets a lateral and radial runout inspection while it's being manufactured. We actually take those test results and we put them on a tag. So if it's out of spec, it gets kicked back. It doesn't leave the factory. And we put the runout results on this tag so you know that if you're buying a 4Play wheel, it's true to spec, you're not gonna have a vibration issue. The other thing is all of your wheel specs are actually machined into the back of the wheel. So years down the road, if you need to replace a wheel or any other reason you need to buy another wheel, you have your specs right here. You can always refer back to them. So, that's an unboxing of a 4Play wheel. This is our 4P06 if you like it. This is in our signature brushed face with a tinted clear coat, what we usually refer to as brushed black. If you like these or any of our other styles, check us out, 4playwheels.com.